Well, my greetings to the General and to the Hmong veterans and the children of the Hmong veterans. That you veterans took a huge risk leaving your homeland and coming to America, coming to Minnesota. So I want to thank you because you have added to our culture here immensely, immensely. You as a culture, you as a group of people have really enhanced the East Side. Much as this particular building and this business will enhance and make the East Side, the city of St. Paul, and the state of Minnesota a much better place. And not just for Hmong, but for everyone that lives in this town and in this state. So I want to thank you. I want to encourage people to stop and shop here. I know my lovely wife will be here rather regularly because she was pointing out all the fresh produce that I'm going to be eating here in the next couple of weeks. So with that, I'll keep it brief because I know these programs can go very, very long. But again, thank you so very, very much for inviting me here today. Thank you. Thank you very, very much for having the vision to put this together. And you shop a lot. And but before I do go, I wanted to acknowledge John Choi, one of the candidates that got here a couple